this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing you this lovely and feminine scrunchie. I love it. As always, the free pattern is available on my blog, selinaveronique.com. The link will be in the down bar. And so for this project I used one skein of Drops Muscat yarn, and this is 100% cotton, mercerized cotton yarn. It's considered to be a light 3 DK weight yarn and it's absolutely lovely. I will be linking the exact shade I use and all my materials in the description box too. I also used a 4mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, a pair of scissors, an 8-inch very simple sewing elastic band, as well as a safety pin. And that's all the materials you will need. I will be using US terms with British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. And if you want more feminine crochet content, head over to my Patreon page. The link is in the down bar. Okay, so to begin this tutorial, take your yarn, make a slip knot. So just go ahead and make a slip knot. Pop your hook through and tighten. And so now you are going to be chaining 15. So 1, 2, 3. So I've chained less, but the principle is the exact same. So you should have 15 chains. And so now for row 1, what we are going to be doing is counting 1, 2, and 3 chains from the hook. And in that chain you will be placing a half double crochet. So wrap your yarn around your hook, go into this chain, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, take your yarn and pull through 3 loops. And that creates your first half double crochet, and the first chain 2 counts as a half double crochet. And now you are going to be placing another half double crochet into the next chain. So just go ahead and place another half double crochet into that, and just place a half double crochet into each and every chain across until you reach the end of this row, and then I'll show you what to do. So I finished row 1, as you can see, and so obviously your row will be slightly larger, but the principle is the exact same. And now for row 2, what you are going to be doing is chaining 2, so 1 and 2, turn your work, and this counts as your first half double crochet and goes with this stitch. And we are going to go directly into the second half double crochet from the previous row with a half double crochet, and now go back, go into the next stitch, and I'll let you place half double crochets all across this row and meet you back at the end. So this is what I have for now, and so I've not yet finished this row, so to finish off row 2, don't forget to place a half double crochet into the last stitch, which is the chain 2 from the previous row. So this can be a bit fiddly, so just place your half double crochet, but don't forget this stitch because it is a stitch and this will straighten out as you go along. And now for row 3 and every row after that, you are going to simply repeat row 2, which is chain 2. This counts as a half double crochet, and just place a half double crochet into each and every stitch across. And repeat this until you have 58 rows in total. So just go ahead and repeat this row 2, and if you need more help, just rewind the video, and yeah, I'll meet you back after that. Okay, so as you can see, I've done my 58 rows. I'm really pleased. I am going to be fastening off, so I have snipped off my yarn already to demonstrate, and as you can see, I've left at least 1 meter of a yarn, so that's a bit over 1 yard when I snipped off. Before I fasten off, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. I've left this amount of yarn just because it's going to be easier to sew in the project. So to fasten off, take your yarn and pull through this last loop. My yarn is cotton yarn, so it's a bit fiddly, especially with it being so long. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the next part of the project, and I've laid my project flat, as you can see, and what I am going to be doing is folding it in half lengthwise. I've popped my needle onto the project to sew it in, and so now I'm going to sew in this project using the mattress stitch. And I'm just going to be going in one side and then into the other side directly to sew this in. You can use whichever stitch you prefer. This is my preferred stitch. So as you can see on camera, I'm just going in one side and then directly through the other side. I'm going to let you carry this on for the full length of this scrunchie, and I'll get back to you. And now what I am going to be doing is turning it inside out. And so when I finished my seam, I did tie it at the top here gently. And so to turn your project inside out, you just need to gently do this. So just gently turn your project inside out. I'm just going to let you do this and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so now that we've turned this inside out, we are going to be placing this elastic band inside the project. So to do this, you are going to be scrunching up this scrunchie. Okay, so I've scrunched this up, and I'm just going to take my elastic, and I've placed my safety pin at the top just because it's much easier. And I'm popping this in like so. Obviously I'm holding the end. And now that I've done this, you can take your safety pin off, and now just knot the ends. So I'm just going to leave probably about 1 centimeter on each side, but whatever works best for you is fine. And I am definitely going to be making a few knots. So as you've seen, I've just placed 2 knots just to secure this. And now what we are going to be doing is rearranging our scrunchie and sewing the top. Okay, so as you can see, I've placed my needle, and now I'm just going to sew the 2 sides in. So let me just show you. So again, I'm using the mattress stitch. Just take your time doing this. So take your time sewing this part in. Okay, so I've gone all the way around with this stitch. So to finish off, I'm just going to be creating a very discreet knot gently. So just go ahead and do that. And once I've done that, I'm simply going to be going through this scrunchie like so, and then I'm going to cut off the loose end, because obviously the loose end will be inside the scrunchie. So this is what we have. I absolutely adore this scrunchie. It's so beautiful. It's so feminine. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. That really helps out my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.